Hey everyone! Did you know that over 70% of people in the US are trying to lose weight, and a huge percentage of them are turning to supplements? Crazy, right? With so many options out there, it can be super confusing to figure out what actually works. So, stick around because today we're diving into the world of weight loss supplements and how they can make your weight loss journey easier. Alright, let's face it, losing weight can be tough. Whether you're trying to shed a few pounds or make a complete lifestyle change, it's not always smooth sailing. And if you've ever browsed the supplement aisle, you probably know how overwhelming it can be. There are countless products with flashy labels and bold claims. So, how do you know which ones are worth your time and money? That's what we're going to explore today. So, let's talk about the common struggles many of us face on the weight loss journey. You might be hitting the gym regularly, sticking to your meal plans, but those stubborn pounds just won't budge. Or maybe you find it hard to stay motivated, especially when you're not seeing results. And then comes the confusion around supplements. With so many products claiming to help you lose weight, it's easy to feel lost and unsure about what to choose. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate this crazy world of weight loss supplements. Now, let's break down the different types of weight loss supplements out there. First up, we have fat burners. These often contain ingredients like caffeine and green tea extract, which can help increase your metabolism and burn fat. Then we have appetite suppressants, which are designed to help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your diet. Some popular options include glucomannan and Garcinia cambogia. And let's not forget about meal replacement shakes, which can be a convenient way to control your calorie intake while still getting nutrients. Just remember, not all supplements are created equal, so it's crucial to do your research. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the top weight loss supplements that have shown real results. One standout is Think, which combines multiple weight loss benefits into one pill. Users rave about its ability to curb cravings and boost energy. Another favorite is Lean Bean, especially popular among women for its natural ingredients that help suppress appetite without jitters. And then there's Instant Knockout, originally designed for athletes, which has gained traction among everyday folks looking to shed pounds. Testimonials from real users highlight their success stories, proving that these supplements can truly make a difference when paired with a healthy lifestyle. So, to wrap things up, we've covered a lot today. Weight loss can be a challenge, but the right supplements can help make the process a bit easier. From fat burners to appetite suppressants, there are plenty of options out there that can support your goals. Remember, it's essential to combine with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any weight loss supplements? What was your experience like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on achieving your health and fitness goals. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.